Hi everyone, in this video I will walk through the latest update to Whisper Transcriber. In version 0.5 we have added support for locally deployed Whisper models. It makes use of your GPU to provide transcription. This option is both cheaper and faster than using the official API. To get started, you can download the distribution build from the website. Right now we provide Windows 64-bit. After download, extract the zip archive to get the executable. Double-click the executable to see the application. Here you can see we have adjusted layout a little bit to make it nicer for file, recording, and transcription actions. And here we have provided a dropdown to pick from either OpenAI API or locally deployed models. There are quite a few models to choose from. Before you make any transcription, you will need to download those model files. The download are available on the official website. Here we have provided 3 commonly used models: base, tiny, and small models. You can download those models yourself, or if you didn't download those models, the first time you transcribe anything, it will automatically download the models for you. So the first time transcription can take a while. If you have decided to download those models yourself, you will have those files. To install those models correctly, copy those model files and paste them inside the installation folder next to the transcriber executable itself. That's how you install a model. Now let's take a look at how well it works. Here I'm going to read some passages from the website. I'm going to click record to start recording. Whisper Transcriber transcribes audio into text using the amazing Whisper model from OpenAI. It supports both official OpenAI API and locally deployed Whisper models. A unique feature of the locally deployed Whisper models is that it supports automatic detection of language. So you don't need to pick a specific language in order to use it. After I have made the recording, I'm just going to click the transcribe button to make a transcription. As you can see, the transcription is very fast because everything runs locally on my local GPU. Here, Whisper Transcriber transcribes audio into text using the amazing Whisper model from OpenAI. It's possible to open OpenAI API locally and deploy. Okay, you can see the transcription accuracy is not so good. That's because the base model is actually not that powerful, because if you look at the size, base model is only bigger than the tiny model. So we can try it again by using a different model. In this case, I'm going to try small. I'm going to do transcription again and see whether, yeah, you see the transcription accuracy is indeed improved from this. Along with this feature, we have also improved the OpenAI API endpoints. Now you can pick the endpoint type. Previously, the default model was Whisper. The latest version of OpenAI also provides the option to use either GPT-4 Mini or GPT-4 Transcribe. You can learn more about this on their official website on this documentation page. That's it. Thank you for watching.